Hi, hi. Hey, Vinod. Hello. Today I'm kind of planning to switch to things like, I have one task to complete in Monday. So we came this far, like, running. So, yeah, 42 problems. Oh, what you're talking about. So get me. Then today I completed one workshop, so they given me a final task to complete as one final project. So conducted by our college, and during that we did to-do application as usual. So they also given me to do this same to-do application by with connecting the backend and stuff. I just asked the peoples they are into. Actually, I will do it a different one, which is so which is I did this simple app in it. I didn't even connect it to a backend yet. So if I connect it this way, like task one, and see how it looks. So actually, I did it mainly for front end. Then is the mobile phone applications. Yeah, so this is how I did it. So we can slash it out things. Yeah, but I'm planning of a different thing, which is first of all I'm going to do it. So made to do app which store to do in local storage. Nice. Everywhere to do is that. Okay, because to do is gives overall experience how things work and stuff. So that's the thing. We can get what overall things looks like. So I just going to made a comment on things. So I did not know, Binod, did you know how we kept some text in our live? So I think there's a no feature of keeping some text in there. Uh, so I'm going to send one comment and pink it out. I am not actually coding the web. I am working on the yeah in OBS. Yes, on the previous lives. Today, small drift from usual I get and this. I did not know how, so that's why I'm waiting for that thing to know. Oh, plus icon. Okay. Things. Flutter. Java. Okay, after clicking the plus icon, man, we can do it, man, because it's just programming. Everything in the programming now. Okay, after clicking the plus icon. Yeah, except Hindi. Nice joke. Nice, nice. So yeah, I'm going to use the AI as my full assistant in this building of small, because we have a so short amount of deadline here, and also I'm not going to do the same app, and I'm going to integrate a different one here. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's close this Flutter app, and we will just open assistant. I'm going to use AI as my assistant now. So for fill thing, but things I know what is going behind. So that's the thing I'm going to do. So all just MQTT connections. Deprecated, yeah, deprecated. Oh, text, nice. Text today drift from bush. Slash n. Hi, Rubil. And also, I met, how are you? Nice, I'm doing great. And also, I faced one real world problem today, which is real world scenario today, which is the we hear the saying, right? Who people who using AI will defeat you. Yeah, it's happened today. We did it on project. We did on this workshop. We some did like small task, and I want to try and do it by myself what the instructor taught me. So I trying and I just completed the front end, but one guy completed the backend API connection and backend API connection to DB and the front end and everything with the help of AI in fast pace. So he's faster than me because he's using AI. So I faced him. So I realized if we didn't use AI to move fast and push our code fast. But the catch is you need to know what that code says and why you have that code there. Then only if you get any problem in future, you can able to understand that and do it by yourself. So that's a good learning today. Did I learn from things by where the ESP32 gives signal with the data of the staff mobile Bluetooth signal and it deducts the particular staff in one area. It will update the server update the application. So I want to use Flutter and Java. mm, MongoDB coding sys. Yeah, that's true. So that crucial problem will really. Yeah, guide. I will accept that guide who has solution to everything, but not a solution for our problem. We need to, you know, get a good prompt to get our problem. No, I did not know how to code with Harry. Let's search. Mm-hmm. Okay, it has some course. Great. He had a lot of free resources to learn from. Nice. I will check it out later. In electronics, AI works like shit because it can do coding but crashes when asked him to design circuit pure hardware. Yeah, it can't. So only in hardware will not can't able to be replaced for around 20 years. But we don't know. We can't able to predict. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. He did also. Nice. Great, 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 guys. So I have one blue ESP32. I will bring it here because this is the crucial part of setting things. So this is ESP32, guys. You all may hear it of and know things also. I'm just going to write a firmware for first. Let's to open up. Okay, this is our code. Nice firmware. We need a VS Code for again, because by this we can able to decide how our final app going to be. So now window platform.io. I didn't even start at time. Okay, it will open up and I will connect my. Oh man. Okay, ESP is up. It has a different code in it. Okay, open up. I did not use Arduino. I will use platform IO because it's inside the VS Code and also so great doing things. So okay, how we will first review the AI written code and optimized for our things. Yeah, tell me one thing you don't know except Hindi. Yes, I did not know Hindi, but I know programming, so I can able to go around things and learn every language. The programming is the first part you need to know, then everything is fine. Staff presence finding. It's my problem. I'm facing this problem. If I need to find one staff, I need to walk around the campus for a lot. I need to walk a lot for this getting a small sign. And if I know previously where is staff, I can able to go directly to them, and if they are there, or sometimes I will go 10 times to search staff, one staff in college. I can't able to find him. I return with empty handed. So that's the thing. That's why I found creating this project. It's my problem. I'm giving solution for it. It works. It works. I'm so happy. But they didn't implement it in our college. That's a different story. So I just want to check things with how ESP32 finding it and send. So didn't don't use server now. Use a serial monitor. Sherlock. I just coding one problem which I faced recently, and also it's my task for one workshop. I faced one problem which is in college. If you are in college, you may figure out this like staffs. If there's no staffs here, but we will go to get the sign, but we end up there's no staff and return to class in empty handed, so we can't find them. So for small colleges is okay, but our college is big and our department is big, so we need to walk a lot. So it's a silly problem, but I had to find the solution, which I before going to the staff room or their cabins, I need to find if they are there or not, or otherwise if they are you know there in any premises of college campus or not. So I am going to use the Bluetooth of their mobile phone to detect with this ESP32 and update to our server, and then server will update to the application which we have in our mobile phone. So that's why doing it's a short project and a simple project. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and I'm using AI because I have only 1 day of deadline. So that's the thing. That's what I'm doing. But actually, mainly I will do. You can read a description. I'm doing that as my main project. It's an open source project. I can check it out in the description. But for contributor, I didn't even write the documentation yet. After I write my good documentation, then only I can able to focus on things to let contributor to contribute that to that project. So it's my mini project. I need to complete it on Monday, so I'm using this live time to do it also. So that's going on. Sherlock user serial. thank you, Sherlock. Nice name, man. First, I am creating this device firmware because of I need to understand the capability of ESP and how things work. Without the capability, I can't able to develop application for that, right? You're asking about me or someone else? We have a lot of point to that, right? I heard also, I think creating a chat using Bluetooth. We can able to use that. There's a lot of uses cases there, but I'm getting there. Headache to Meta. Nice talking, great man. So firmware is really important, so that I'm taking doing that, and the library is making the issue. So no new thing. See, can do things where the problems are arising. There's no problem here. Let's scan again. For Bluetooth, there is not much that range of communication. We can able to only talk through inside our home with our parents and the peoples inside the home. Other than that, we can't do anything that much, right? It's compiling good because I didn't see any errors. Yeah, it did well. Now I need to upload it and find how things works. So we have a board here. It's cheap and a very great board. ESP32 is nice invention. Yeah, image ready successfully. So we are going to upload it. We just need to press things. Yeah, it's uploaded. It's uploading. Yeah. Okay, then we need to open up the serial monitor and start to see things after it uploaded. Okay. Da-da-da-da. Library manager installing, unpacking, downloading. ASP32 dev error. Why? Please put your. You need to choose, I think. So we have a board. Scanning for a device. Found. Oh, it does. Founding storm call. What is that device? We have a first device name storm call. I forgot that the name itself. So we getting the MAC address also. Wow, nice. I'm going to turn on my mobile phone now. Okay, only getting the thing right. So I turned on it. Sorry guys, I can't able to see you because storm call. I hear the name I'm using, but I forgot which device name is that. Storm call 3. Which one uses that? Okay, my mobile phone will not detect anything. If I turn off mobile phone, it is any changes are there? No changes. Then I think I found what the problem is. So then we can't able to detect them. Mm-hmm. Picking some other device, but I turned on the Bluetooth in. Oh, it detecting extra. Yeah, Stormcall. Now I hear the name. It's a watch. If you don't mind, why you want to integrate everything with the ESP32 for your problem, which is to locate stuff, then you can create a simple app which runs in the. I can do that, but I am in. I do it for all the purpose, man. You know, I am in a place where I am attending one small internship program in our college, and I choose the problem of I choose a domain IoT and embedded system. So I want to use any embedded system there. So I'm using ESP32 to code and do things. And the main part is another one thing why I'm using is so we don't need any staff permission. Just need to enable their Bluetooth and we can find things. But I think it seems like it didn't even detect things. Stormcall, I remember the name. Stormcall is my watch detecting correctly. And I turned off my keyboard. Now it will detect how many things we will see. If my keyboard is founding, my mobile can't, then it's incapable thing. I didn't even mind, man. So it's the another two thing is from different devices. So I need to search how to find the MAC address of the Bluetooth. How to I need to turn on my keyboard. How to find the MAC address of the Bluetooth mobile phone. It's working, man. It's working fine, but didn't use that serial Bluetooth. Now I am using a different one, and I am searching for my mobile phone MAC address. It can only detect the MAC address, so we need to see things that get a MAC address. Settings about phone app. So where we are going to go? Software information. Kernel version Android. We don't need to do over here. Legal information, status information. Bluetooth MAC address. I can see Bluetooth MAC address, but we will verify this is our Bluetooth MAC address or not by checking. No, man, I'm not getting my MAC address there. They didn't even detect my Bluetooth. My MAC address is different. Mine is start from 80. It can't able to detect anything. It didn't detect my. It didn't detect my mobile phone MAC. Really MAC address. And also in some places you can't able to access you can't able to access mobile phone in our college. We have rules. We don't use mobile phone in some time and some places in our college campus. So that's also problem, right? If you use embedded system, you can able to connect to some display or LED lights to indicate if they are there or not, right? Let's rewrite the code. I think the previous firmware is detecting for the name also, so that's why our thing is not recognizing. Yeah. So the main part and worry part about embedded system is waiting for this upload. But ESP is pretty slow in this process compared to Raspberry Pi and other applications. But anyways, it's working at the end. That's the only thing we have to focus on. Okay. Still, the two devices is detecting. My MAC address is different, man. What are those two devices? I have my laptop. So I will go and check my laptop Bluetooth setting. It did not detecting my mobile phone. Why is that? Here also they use serial.h. It's not working for me. Hi, Code with LK. Hi, hi. Nice. How are you? Long time no see. Hi, man. going to off the phone also. Let's see. My watch is also displaying Bluetooth. If I cut it out, it only get the okay. It's connected. Only one device. What is it? Which one is emitting the Bluetooth? I think my tab. Is my tab emitting the Bluetooth? Bluetooth is really yeah. I turned off my Bluetooth and my tab too. Still, it detecting one MAC address. Where it is coming? I didn't have any other Bluetooth devices. I hope. Oh, nice! My PC had in my PC. It's still on. Let's turn off that. Okay, my keyboard went out of charge. So let's go to the CMD. SSH. SSH 192.168.1.1. Weak. We need authenticator. I can't able to see my mobile phone. I don't know why. That's the main part. Okay, I'll shut down my. I'm getting call from my friend. still something is in active mode because I turned off every Bluetooth is in my range. Bluetooth device in my range, but it is still detecting a lot of Bluetooth devices. I didn't turn off my watch though. I'm going to switch off my watch. 49. Who is that 49? I also don't have any name for that. I will ask. Okay, my battery of my keyboard also gone, so I need to charge it, and I will end my live. Why this code didn't detect my phone? I know that doesn't work. They are in pairing mode for Bluetooth Classic or a Billy app. On Bluetooth may be ideally. Android and iOS do not advertise BLE by default, even when Bluetooth is on. They only listen for connection gap central mode, but don't advertise themselves unless BLE server is running. Oh, okay. If your phone advertise, it may use routing random MAC address for privacy. The ESP will see these, but you won't recognize them as your phone. Device name missing in many phone don't send their name in BLE advertisement unless forced by an app. Your code relies on an empty string. Okay. Oh, my keyboard died. Okay, then if we create an app in Flutter that enables the advertisement, it will look right. Okay, I will end my live session. So see you guys.